This is the new Samsung A53, a follow-up to the very popular A52. This phone is going to give you some great specs and overall performance while maintaining an affordable price tag. You're not getting the same level of materials that you get with Samsung's Galaxy lineup, but the phone still feels very good in the hand. The back of the phone has a matte finish, which I personally like because it means the phone isn't a fingerprint magnet. I'm also a fan of the way that the cameras blend into the back panel to create a very minimal camera bump. As far as audio, you do have a dual speaker setup, which works great for watching any media, but there is no headphone jack. When it comes to the screen, you have a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate, so navigating the phone is a very fluid process. You're getting an upgraded 5000 mAh battery, which should give you some excellent performance. When you do need to recharge, the phone supports 25-watt fast charging. The A53 is using a brand new Exynos 1280 chip, which should give you some solid mid-level performance. We'll have to see how it performs over time, but so far I'm pretty impressed. In terms of the cameras, we have a 64 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. We also have a 32 megapixel front facing camera. So let's go ahead and take a look at some samples of videos and photos shot with the A53.